Hello everyone, I am Preeti Raju first year CSE student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I am going to represent few MCQ questions. Introduction. Making of the Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, limitation in different complex situations, Union Executive President, Prime Minister, Union Cabinet, judicial reviews and judicial activism, amendment to Constitution and emergency provision. And the first topic is making of the Indian Constitution. Who was the chairman of the Advisory Committee of Fundamental Rights and Minorities set up by the Constituent Assembly? Option A, Pandit Nehru. Option B, Sardar Patel. Option C, B.N. Rao. Option D, B.R. Ambedkar. And the correct option is B, that is Sardar Patel. Making the concept of PIL, public interest litigation, originated in which of the following country? Option A, Canada. Option B, Australia. Option C, India. Option D, USA. And the correct option is D, that is USA. Who among the following was the first permanent president of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A, Dr. Sachidananda Singh. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Professor H.C. Mukherjee. And the correct option is B, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The original document of the Constitution of India was handwritten by option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option B, Sarojini Naidu, option C, Prem Bihari Narayan Raizad, option D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the correct option is C, that is Prem Bihari Narayan Raizad, who described the preamble of Indian Constitution as the political horoscope of Indian Constitution. Option A, Thakur Das Bhargav. Option B, Kanhayalal Maneklal Munshi. Option C, N.A. Palkiwala. Option D, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. And the correct option is B, that is Kanhayalal Maneklal Munshi. The second topic is fundamental rights, limitation in different complex situations. First question is, who among the following headed the 9-judge constitutional bench that declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right? Option A, J.S. Kehar. Option B, Deepak Mishra. Option C, H.J. Kania. Option D, T.S. Thakur. And the correct option is A, that is J.S. Kehar. Which among the following countries was the earliest to give women the right to vote? Option A, France. Option B, USA. Option C, Australia. Option D, UK. And the correct option is C, that is Australia. The foremost right among to freedom is option A, right to life and personal liberty. Option B, preventive detention. Option C, freedom to assemble. Option D, right to freedom of speech and expression. And the correct option is A, right to life and personal liberty. In case of armed forces, the fundamental rights under Article 14 and 19 of Constitution are option A, not available at all in all circumstances. Option B, available to the armed forces but not to paramilitary. Option C, available only at the discretion of the chief of the president. Option D, available only according to the law made by parliament. And the correct option is option D, that is available only according to the law made by parliament. Which part of the Indian Constitution is referred to the conscience of the Constitution? Option A, judicial review. Option B, the part dealing with the fundamental rights. Option C, the part dealing with the reservation policy of SCS, STS and OBCS. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer and the correct option is B, that is the part dealing with the fundamental rights. Third topic is Union Executive, President, Prime Minister, Union Cabinet. First question is, which provision of the Constitution of India provides the President shall not answerable to any court in India for the exercise of powers of his office? Option A, Article 53. Option B, Article 74. Option C, Article 361. Option D, Article 363. And the correct option is option C, that is Article 361. Which is not the discretionary power of President of India. Option A, suspensive veto. Option B, pocket veto. Option C, to decide the day-to-day administrative decision in case of caretaker government. Option D, summon and dissolve parliament session. And the correct option is D, summon and dissolve parliament session. Which one of the following powers of the Prime Minister India is codified in the Constitution of India itself? Option A, the power of advising the President as regards the appointment of other ministers. Option B, the power to allocate business amongst the ministers. Option C, the power to summon the meeting of the cabinet. Option D, the power to transfer a minister from one department to another department. And the correct option is option A, that is the power of advising the president as regards the appointment of other minister. Parliament or presidential government can be distinguished mainly by option A, its federal nature, option B, the rigidity of the constitution, option C, the employer relations, option D, the legislative executive relation, and the correct option is D, that is the legislative executive relations. Which of the following is not a features of president from a form of government? Option E, effective head of the state. B, prime minister and cabinet enjoying real powers. Option C, separation of powers. Option D, appointment cabinet. And the correct option is B, that is prime minister and cabinet enjoying real powers. And the fourth topic is judicial reviews and judicial activism. Doctrine of judicial review originated from which country? Option A, the UK. Option B, France. Option C, the USA. Option D, Russia. And the correct option is C, that is the USA. Concept of judicial activism originated from which country? Option A, the UK. Option B, the USA. Option C, France. Option D, Russia. And the correct option is option B, that is the USA. In India, judicial reviews implies option A, the power of judiciary to pronounce upon the constitutionality of laws and executive orders. Option B, the power of judiciary to question the wisdom of laws enacted by the legislature. Option C, the power of the judiciary to review all the legislative enactment before they are assessed to by the president. Option D, the power of judiciary to review its own judgments given earlier in similar or different cases. And the correct option is A, that is the power of the judiciary to pronounce upon the constitutionality of laws and executive orders. The power of judiciary review relates to which of the following action? Option A, advise president on constitutional matters. Option B, declares laws of parliament unconstitutional that are against constitution. Option C, review the organization of judiciary. Option D, prepare laws to preserve the role of law. And the correct option is B, that is declares the laws of parliament unconstitutional that are against constitution. Who coined the term judicial activism? Option A, Montesquieu. Option B, Justice B.R. Krishna Iyer. Option C, Arthur Meyer Schlesinger Jr. Option D, none of the above. And the correct option is option C, that is Arthur Meyer Schlesinger Jr. And the last topic is amendment to Constitution and emergency provisions. And the first question is, a bill for the amendment in Indian Constitution can be presented. Option A, only in Lok Sabha. Option B, only in Rajya Sabha. Option C, either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Option D, in the Supreme Court of India. And the correct option is C, that is either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. The President powers to veto a bill for amendment of the Constitution has been taken away by substituting the word shall give his assent by which amendment? Option A, 44th Amendment. Option B, 23rd Amendment. Option C, 24th Amendment. Option D, 42nd Amendment. And the correct option is option A, that is 44th Amendment. When was the first bill for the amendment of Indian Constitution presented? Option A, 1950, option B 1951, option C 1955, option D 1958. And the correct option is B, that is 1951. When was the word armed rebellion added to the constitution to declare a national emergency? Option A, after 44th Constitution Amendment. Of Option B, after 42nd Constitution Amendment. Option C, after 40 option after 40 Constitution Amendment. Option D, after 38th Constitution Amendment. And the correct option is A, that is after 44th Constitution Amendment. And the last question is, how soon imposition of national emergency should be approved by the Parliament? Option A, 1 month. Option B, 2 month. Option C, 6 month. Option D, 3 month. And the correct option is A, that is 1 month.